Hello, we're in the car again. Trying out KFC's spinach... Sorry, pagod na pagod ako. Creamy spinach twister and creamy spinach corn chorba. Honestly, na-try ko na yung zinger version. So, more or less, I feel like alam ko na yung lasa nito. Ang sarap, but ang anghang. So, I don't know. Hindi ko alam if maanghang to. Ano ba to? Okay. Wait lang, parang natikman ko na rin pala tong twister. Pero like, tumikim lang talaga. Like, as in, kumuha lang ako from yung twister ng mom ko. But whatever. Kunwari na lang first time. Hindi siya like overflowing. Yung unang kagat mo, medyo puro eto lang. Tawag dito. Limulat ko na. So tired. Oh my gosh. Ano ba yung nakukulog lahat? Wala akong pang thumbnail, I forgot. Oh my god. Yun yan. Okay, mas gusto ko ng twister. I don't know if these are hot shots. Pero hindi siya as anghang as the zinger. So, pwede na. Wala naman akong plano for this video. So, di ko alam sasabihin. I guess I'll just rate this. Yung zinger kasi, aside from it being maanghang, parang hindi rin masyadong bagay. For me personally, yung sauce dun sa bun, sarap pa rin naman, but it's not as bagay talaga. So, the zinger for me is like a 7 or like a 6.5. This one is parang a 9. This one, I haven't tried. Tapos hindi ako binigyan ng spoon or fork. So, paano na? Kibuti lang mayroon ng scotch. Girl, ang sarap nito. 15 out of 10. Ang sarap ng corn. Hindi ko talaga alam pag-uusapan. Oh my gosh. Alam ko lang. I guess, i-share ko lang. And like, thank you lang ako na like, we reached 8K on TikTok. I know that's not like a lot for most people, but thanks. I'm so flattered. Just, yun lang. Wala lang. Bye-bye.